or I have finished my dinner, or I will have some time for my kids. So there are a variety of sentences people speak when they use have. So this video is going to be completely compact with the usage of have. Hi there, this is Sanjay and I welcome you all to this English learning YouTube channel, English Every Day. In today's video, we are going to talk about usage of have. As you generally listen to many people in your day-to-day communication, they say, I have to rush to the market, I'm having bedtime, or I have finished my dinner, or I will have some time for my kids. So there are a variety of sentences people speak when they use have. So this video is going to be completely compact with the usage of have. Let's start with the beginning use of have. So first of all, we say like a have and has. Have we use with plural and has is a singular one. However, sometimes we go for the past, we talk about the past activity and we say had. So has, have and had. We have three forms of have. Now for singular, we say has, which is used with he, she, it, and with different kinds of name, like David has finished his meeting, or we say Mary has a car, right? So we say generally with singular, we say has. With plural, we use have. With I, you, we, they, and with plural subjects, we go for have. So the basic thing we must know is the meaning for has and have. The meaning for has and have is to have something. I mean, if I have something where I have a complete right, I say have, like I have a car, I have a pen, or I can say I have a meeting, I have a big bungalow, I have many friends. So something that you have. Now, some people say I'm having. So let me clear you the difference when we say I'm having or when we say I have. So something that you have at the moment and you can show off, I mean, you can show in front of anybody, you say I'm having. For example, you can say I'm having a pen because the pen is there, right there in your hand. So you say, I'm having a pen. I'm having a meeting at the moment. It means you are sitting in the meeting and you are having the meeting right now. Apart from this, when we say has, we say have. So we say have when something you have, maybe it is possible that you don't have that thing with you at the moment. Like you say, I have a car. It means you have a car, but the car is not there right now. The car is parked at your home, right? So I'm having and I have, this is the difference. We say I'm having when you have something that you can show at the moment. You say I'm having, and you say I have when you have something, but maybe it is not at the moment available in front of you. Now, the second we say have to and has to. Generally, when we talk about the plans, the future plans, you talk about the upcoming things you have to do. So you say have to. With singular, we say has to, and with plural, we say have to. How you say this? You say, I have to go to market. I have to take dinner. I have to meet my friend. I have to call my brother. It means something you are going to finish in near future. You say have to. All right. Let's go to the next use of have. So the next use of have we say is has, have, then the third form of verb. You say I have done. I have finished. I have eaten. I have made. So when you say this, when you talk about something which you started in prison and you have finished it, I mean, we talk about the recent past. For the recent past, we say has, have plus done. You say, I have finished my dinner. It means you're talking about the dinner you finished before, meaning the last dinner you finished. You say, I have slept. It means you just have slept earlier. You're talking about that. You say, I have called my boss before 10 minutes. It means you're talking about the call you finished the last time. On the other way, we say, I called my boss and I have called my boss. So when you say, I have called my boss, it means you're talking about the last call you made. And when you say, I called, it means something you say which you did before many tasks. Maybe you call your boss 2 days ago, or you call your boss maybe just now, or any time you have called. But when you say I have called, it means you're talking about the recent past. All right. For the future purpose also we say have, we say will have, meaning something you have to do in the future. You will have something in the future. So you say, I will have a car. I will have a meeting with my boss next Wednesday. All right. So that we use for the future. Now, the next we say will have plus done. It means something you will have finished in the future. You say, I will have finished the meeting with my boss. I will have reached Canada 5th of January. I will have celebrated Chinese New Year before March. Right. So when you talk about something you will have finished in the future, you say will have plus done. Let's go and summarize these points. So the first we talk about has and have, which shows generally something you have, position. I'm having, we say like is MR plus having, we say something you have that you can show at the moment. Next we learn today is has to and have to, that shows the planning for the future. Then we have understood has a plus done, that we talk about something you finish in the present, the recent past. And the last we learned about will have plus done and will have, that shows the future activity. There are many usage for the have that I will be covering in the next video, because if I speak more about has or have, maybe this video can be much longer, and it should be shorter, because if it is very much longer, it is difficult for you to get all the things. So make sentences. If you have any doubt or if you have any question, if you feel somewhere or the other you're having some doubt or misconfusion, you can write down this below in the comment section and I will definitely reply you. So by the time, keep learning, keep watching the videos and have a happy time. Thank you so much.